Hello, you guys. David Mark with Digital Marketing Tactician, and I'm going back and revisiting the IFTTT lessons here because, as you can see, that I went ahead and filled out the rest of the link ring, if you will. And the reason why I didn't quite finish this is because someone was wanting to know how to utilize IFTTT with those Google services that I was referring to. So if we check over here, we got Google Docs, we got Google Calendar, and we have Google Sheets. So for the next few videos, we are going to go and optimize for all three of these properties. Um, Ideally, though, if I wanted to optimize for Google Drive and images, I could still do that. Let's say, for instance, I create a Pinterest account, okay, and and then from Pinterest, I will post a picture on Pinterest. That then what happens there is there will be a copy from Pinterest over to the Google Drive, so that it's kind of like a storage, as it were. But I mean, there's more things you could do with what I'm about to show you. Just try to be creative with it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make a document. So from WordPress to docs, we are going to go ahead and make that document. Create a document, post title, perfect, post content, and check out this website. Now, what you want to do is make sure you know where the path is going. So let me just open up our Google Drive real quick, and we're going to find the folder that we're going to use. I think we had one before. Custom porch deck builders. Well, in this case, let's create a new folder called deck builders. Folder, and actually let's use a keyword that we're going after. Well, yeah, we'll just do it. Custom deck builders. I'm trying to think if I should have it with caps like that. And then we're going to want to share it because we want it to be public automatically. So every time we post something in here on, actually I'm going to rename this too. I'm going to just rename it to contractors. Keep it simple. Save changes. Done. And contractors. So whatever property I make from this point on is going to be automatically public. You know, normally what you would do is you would create a new document, and then once the document is created, then you go ahead and try to make it public. But if it's already inside of a public folder, you'll have it already there. It'll just be public already for you, contractor. So post content and all that stuff. So that's good. And that's all there is to it. Just make it look like it's supposed to be this way. And says some HTML is okay. So actually, let me just do this. And equals check out this site, and then then post URL, take that off. I can remove this. Actually, what I'll also do here is um, I'm going to rearrange everything just enough. And then drop in post content. So it's going to be post title, that's the document name. And then I'm going to put the post title again in the document. Right below that is going to be a URL. And then below the URL is going to be the post content. And this will all be done in a contractor folder. Contractors folder. Okay, and then post to Google Docs. Perfect. All right. So that's all there is to it. So, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join the Facebook group, Digital Marketing Tactician, and everything else. Check out the website, digitalmarketingtactician.xyz, and stay tuned.